These are the uses. One, you use it to carry your cakes for delivery. I will demonstrate how we normally do it. This is a 2 kg cake packed in a 12-inch box. So this is how we use this bag. It's very efficient. I'll do it on fast forward ndio tuende mbio kidogo, but as the bag, you just kunja it to the bottom and then you place your cake inside. You can actually do it alone, but sometimes when you're two, someone can hold the bag for you. Yeah, so that's the cake ready for delivery. You just organize it. Like, this bag is very hardy. Inaweza beba ushangae. Look at how comfortable that is. It's very decent and you're ready for delivery, right? So it's never this easy to deliver, even to sit with it in a matatu. It's very comfortable. Like, this is when we are taking like cakes to Kiambu, to a closer, like Mtwako walking distance or town using matatu. This is how I fold it. Yeah, you just have to keep it neat because I have many. I realized this is an addiction. Yes, like every time I'm in town and I'm buying something from Topserve, I always add these bags because they run out by the way. No, and corner stock. These ones are new. The ones that have not folded, these ones are new. It's the new logo. You can see it's changed and it's very cute. So I can use it as a handbag. When you're going to River Road, if you know, Izo errands are River Road. Watu wa leather bags, sling bag. Whenever I get to Kikorok, River Road, when I'm doing my rounds for cake things, it now becomes a handbag. Alafu sasa tunaingia River Road, tunapitana na kina Omosh na Kamash. Sisi wote ni mahasla. Sisi wapati ma ideas. Because most of the time these gunias, people do not think of kuingia kwa bag yako. So when you fold it, the way I showed you, yes, it just fits in your sling bag. And then sasa ukishafika River Road, yes, ukishaingia mtaa, sasa uko maeneo za biashara, unakaa kama mkulima mdogo, mtu wako kwa biashara together. Yes, then I use it for wedding and events as a carry-on. Like, this was a ratio that actually happened this weekend. So if I'm doing a very light setup, naona venye zinaka cute. They make you look mood organized. Ubebani hapa na magunia zinakaa sijui bodho. Yeah. Sisi hapa na uba yetu. Tumeenda delivery cake. No, this was actually a ratio cake we were going to set up. And at the venue, the bags were so cute that the host actually offered to carry for me. Ndio ananisaidia as I carry the other cake as we go home. Like for lunch. Hizi vitu ni noma.